Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious tacos de birria. First, let's prepare the meat. You'll want about 3 pounds of chuck roast, seared until beautifully browned on all sides. Next, blend your dried chilies, tomatoes, onions, garlic, and a blend of aromatic spices to create that rich adobo. Marinate the seared meat in this flavorful mixture for at least 2 hours, or even better, overnight, to infuse every bite with incredible taste. Now, let's get that birria cooking. Carefully transfer your marinated meat and the adobo into a large pot or a slow cooker. Add about 4 cups of rich beef broth and a bay leaf for extra depth of flavor. Let it simmer on low heat for 6 to 8 hours. This slow cooking process is key, ensuring the meat becomes incredibly tender and falls apart easily, ready for shredding. With the birria cooked to perfection, it's time for the fun part: assembling your tacos. First, shred the incredibly tender birria meat into small, manageable pieces. Next, dip your corn tortillas into the flavorful consommé, ensuring they're coated on both sides. Then, fill each dipped tortilla with a generous amount of shredded birria meat and a sprinkle of your favorite melting cheese, like Oaxaca or Monterey Jack. Finally, let's get those tacos crispy and ready to enjoy. Place your filled tortillas onto a hot griddle or frying pan, cooking them until they're beautifully golden brown and crispy on both sides. Serve these irresistible tacos de birria immediately with a small bowl of the warm consommé for dipping. Garnish with fresh cilantro, finely diced white onion, and a refreshing squeeze of lime juice for the perfect finish.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.